Good day mga palalabs, kumusta po? Reminders po, it is better to stay on the safe side with your fur babies. So ito na po ang ating procedure sa Egco Milk and Barley Max mixture. Please sundin po para effective sa ating mga fur kids. Till next video, stay safe and healthy with your fur babies. Tandaan, importante na aagapan na agad ang sakit nila habang maaga pa. Mga palalabs, kung need na ng antibiotics, mas mainam kung natural antibiotics, katulad ng Egco Milk and Barley Max. Natural na antibiotics at tumutulong mag-produce ng antibodies sa katawan ng may sakit para labanan ang virus. Natural na pampalakas ng katawan, pampalakas ng baga, panlaban sa internal infections, viruses, parasites, cancer, and more. Procedure: 1 sachet ng Egco Milk sa 3/4 glass of water, tap water or lukewarm. Then, add ang 1/2 sachet ng Barley Max. Haluin po ito na mabuti. Ipainom every 4 hours for 1 week. Tandaan po, huwag nagagamit ng kahit na anong antibiotics kapag Egco Milk and Barley Max na ang ipapainom o gagawing natural antibiotics. So please watch for more wonderful tips and guide. Stay safe and healthy with your fur kids. Thank you so much for watching mga palalabs. Please panoorin po para sa karagdagang kaalaman. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more wonderful tips and guide. See you on my next video. Bye-bye and God bless.